Find something to attach the resistance band to. We use the coffee table. Go ahead and grab the resistance bands. Step forward, feet straight, okay? Shoulders are back and down. Straighten out your arms, but you want your elbows slightly bent. Palms facing that way. You want to stay nice and wide, okay? So keep your arms out nice and wide. Then you come up to by your chin with a triangular type motion. There you go. Beautiful. See how her arms aren't bending back and forth? She's nice and solid. Breathing in on the way down, blowing out on the way up. Look at her abs. They're nice and tight. She's not moving back and forth. Her neck is nice and straight. She's not looking around. Her knees aren't bouncing. We're going to tighten it up nice over here.